morning, children. Hello. Children, can you hear me? No? Yes? Then say you also. Good morning, teacher. Come on, say everyone. Good morning, teacher. Have a nice day. Yes. And what you say? Good morning. After, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Come on, say everyone. I am fine, thank you. Yes, clap for yourself. Very good, children. Today, do you know what we learn? No. Today, we will learn a line pattern. Okay? In our last session, we already learned about line pattern. Do you remember which line we learned? Yes, standing line. Okay? Now, let's do revise. Children, what is this? Yes, this is pencil. And what is this? This is scale. Now, tell me, children, is it standing line or sleeping line? Yes, pencil stands in standing position. Very good. Pencil is in standing position and scale also is standing position. Very good. Now we will write in air. Okay. Now show me your pointer finger. Yes, this is your pointer finger. Come on. We will write in air first. Yes. Go up. Come down slowly, slowly. This is our standing line. Okay. Again. Go up. Come down slowly, slowly. This is our standing line. Okay. Now, we will trace on this scale. First, show me your pointer finger. Put your finger on the top of the scale. And come down slowly, slowly. Very good, children. Again, this is standing line. Okay. What is this? Yes, this is ice cream stick. Okay. Now, first take your pointer finger. Show me your pointer finger. Yes. Now put your pointer finger on the top of the ice cream stick and come down slowly, slowly. Standing line. Again. Standing line. Very good, children. Now, children, we will write standing line on palm. Okay. Again, show me your pointer finger. Yes. Put your pointer finger on the top of the palm and come down slowly, slowly. Again, go up, come down slowly, slowly. This is standing line. Okay, children. Now, tell me, children, which line is this? Yes, slipping line. What is this? Slipping line. Okay. Now, children, this is pencil. Okay. And this pencil is in which position? Yes, this is slipping position. This is slipping position and this is standing position. Very good, children. ही आता पेन्सिल कशी आहे? झोपलेली आहे. Now this is slipping line position. Okay. Now again show me your pointer finger. Yes, we will write or trace any slipping line from left to right. Okay, children. This is your left side. Come on, start. Yes. Put your finger on the left side of this pencil and yes, this is slipping line. Again, this is our slipping line. Now, parents, this is flashcard. Okay, you can make this flashcard at your home. and told your child to trace the slipping line at your home also. Now children, again take your pointer finger. Yes, put your finger on this side, left side of this ice cream stick and go front slowly. This is slipping line. Again, yes, come on. Slipping line. You also say with me. Slipping line. Yes, very good children. Now children, come on. Put your finger in the air. Yes. From this side to this side. Okay. We will start. Slipping line. Very good. Again. Slipping line. Very good children. Again. Slipping line. Go slowly children. Okay. Now we will write on palm. Put your finger. Yes. Left side. And go front. Slowly. Start. Slipping line. Again. Slipping line. Very good children. One more time. Slipping line. Now children, we will draw standing line and slipping line on Rangoli. Parents, if you have sand or Rangoli, you can give it to your child. Okay? Now children, show me your pointer finger. Yes. Put your finger on the top of the Rangoli portion and come down slowly. Yes. Very good. Standing line. You have to say, yes, standing line. Now again, put your finger and come down slowly. Standing line. Very good. Now we will write slipping line on this Rangoli. Okay. Now children, come on, show me your pointer finger. Put your finger on the left side of the Rangoli. Yes. And come on, make a slipping line. Go slowly children. Yes, slipping line. Very good. Now one more time. Yes, slipping line. Very good children. Now one more time. Put your finger on the left side of the Rangoli and yes, slipping line. Very good children. We already learned about how to hold the crayon or chalk. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is your crocodile mouth and this is your 3 fingers. So, in these 3 fingers, we hold the chalk like this and chalk. Yes. Hold the crayon or chalk like this. Okay. Now, let's start our study. Now, parents, this is your fun with pattern book. Okay. Open your page number 5. Trace the dots from left to right. First, I will show you here how to trace the dots from left to right. Afterwards, we will do in this book. Okay, parents? Now, first, you have to write CW on the top of the page. Okay? Next, trace the dots from left to right. Okay? Children, watch carefully. After finishing this activity, you also do this activity at your pattern book. Okay? Now, you have to draw this dotted line. Okay? You have to join these dots and make a slipping line. Okay? First picture is rabbit and this one is carrot. Okay? So, put your crayon on the left side of the book and join these dots slowly. Yes, very good children. Now next, monkey and banana. Again, put your chalk on the left side of the book and join these dots and make a sleeping line. Yes. Next, bird and tree. Again, put your chalk on the left side, bird side, and join these dots. Yes, go slowly. Children, watch carefully. And parents, you help your child while doing this activity. This is butterfly. Yes, join these dots slowly. Yes, very good. Now, this is your homework page, HW. Okay, trace the dots from left to right. Okay, this picture is, yes, dog, and this is bone. Dog wants this bone. So, put your chalk or crayon. Yes, come on, tell me children. Yes, on the left side and join these dots slowly. Yes, very good. Now next, cat and mouse. Okay, come on, join these dots and make a sleeping line. Very good children. Sheep and grass. Sheep wants this grass. Okay, so we will help this sheep. Yes, again say with me, sleeping line. Children, you have to say sleeping line. Yes, come on, again. When we write, yes, we have to say sleeping line. Yes, say and write. Okay, children? Yes. Now, children and parents, we will do this activity in pattern book. Okay? Parents, children, this is our Fun with Patterns book. Open page number 5. Yes. This activity we already done, but I will show you again. So, children, watch carefully this activity. Okay? First, you have to write CW, class work, and write here today's date also. Okay? Now, use one crayon. You can use any color crayon. Yes. Trace the dots from left to right. Okay? Now, put your crayon on the left side. Put your crayon on the left side of this book. Yes. Which picture is this? First, rabbit. Yes. You have complete the dotted line. Okay, children? Now, go slowly. Yes, this is slipping line. Yes, children, go slowly. Yes, very good. Trace the slipping line. Now next, monkey. Monkey wants banana. So, trace that line also. Go slowly and say slipping line. Yes, slipping line. Very good. Now next, which picture is this? Bird. And bird also reach the tree. So come on, make a slipping line. Go slowly, slowly, and say, this is, which line is this? Slipping line. Yes, very good children. Now next, butterfly. Come on, trace the dots. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Yes. Very good children. Wow. Now next page. This is your homework page. Parents, please write here HW and write date also. Okay. Now again, trace the dot from left to right. Now, which picture is this? Yes, dog and bone. Come on, join that line. Yes, join that dotted line. Go slowly, slowly and make a slipping line. Very good, children. Good. Now next, cat and mouse. Yes, go slowly, slowly and say with me, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Now next, sheep, sheep and grass. Come on, start. Yes, go slowly. Yes, very good. And last one, fish and water. Come on, make a line again. Wow, children, very nice. Wow, children, clap for yourself. Very good. Now, parents, check this activity. Yes, if you have red pen, you can use that pen. Otherwise, you can use blue pen also. Yes, put a tick mark like this and give star or smiley. Yes, parents, you can check homework also. Again, put a tick mark and star or smiley. Very good. Children, do practice at your home. And parents, please don't send photographs on WhatsApp group. Okay?